Hello friends, welcome to the Ekalavya Universes. I am Ravindra. I am the developer of the system Ekalavya Universes. This is the outcome of my 17 years of research and development. The one and only objective of this system is no eligible software career aspirant should remain unemployed. For achieving this objective, I have developed a single window system with 7 services. I don't expect any programming background. Just this system provides scratch to end training, everything. Just earmark 120 days time, and if you are a full time student and all that, just 120 days earmark and study strictly according to the guidelines we provide. Then we ensure you for your bright software career. In order to know the complete details of this system and strategy, please watch my lecture, The Roadmap to Achieve a Bright Software Career. As a part of my single window services, I am providing you several lectures, and one of that lectures is Basics Pool. This is really a gateway to your bright software career. Actually, basics of any subject, not only computer science or programming studies, for any subject act like a foundation of the multi-storied building. Without having strong foundation, you should not construct a multi-storied building. Physically it is possible, but it cannot last for long time. So foundation is the core. In the same manner, in studies, especially in programming studies, knowledge of basics, not just the simple knowledge and I know business will not do. You must have perfect command over all the basics because of many reasons which I am going to explain little later. It provides you a general knowledge in the programming studies. Actually, in real life, irrespective of our standard of knowledge, irrespective of your qualifications, if you don't have general knowledge, then all your standard is undermined. In the same way, if you don't have knowledge of basics in programming studies, your knowledge, your qualification is undermined, and your study will become very difficult. You are missing many things. You cannot understand many things logically. So, positively, if you have thorough knowledge of basics, then you can study subject thoroughly and logically, and ultimately you can own it. Now, without studying basics, if you want to study only subject, then you are missing a lot. And apart from that, in your course of study, you encounter many doubts. Doubts are obstacles in a programming study. Then, because of several doubts and all that, ultimately you lose your interest in the subject. That always you understand that, and it is essential prerequisite, and there are many advantages by studying basics. Just I list out few. If you study basics first and thereafter enter into the corresponding subject, then you can understand the chances of understanding subject is a lot, and you can understand the subject thoroughly, and ultimately you can own it. Number 2, knowledge of basics prevents future doubts in course of your study and all that. Already I told you, a doubt is an obstruction in your smooth study. So, if we have a complete command over basics and all that, corresponding basics, then your study will be smooth and you can own the subject. Ultimately, you get lot of interest in the subject and you enjoy the subject. Where you enjoy, there is no look back. That you understand. And number three, the most important is in most interviews, especially in programming field, they first test your basic knowledge on basics. Thereafter, they go into the subject. Suppose if you fail to answer the questions on basics, then they are not inclined to ask you further questions. This is simple reason. If you have foundation, strong foundation, you can construct a multi-story building. If you have the capability of constructing multi-story building also, if you don't have foundation, there is no use. That's why if you fail to answer questions on basics, interviewer is not interested, normally not interested to ask further questions. Suppose if you answer well, if you answer basic questions well and all that, if you fail to answer advanced questions correctly, then also there is an excuse because of your strong foundation. If you have strong foundation, today or tomorrow or any time, we can construct a multi-story building. Always you remember that, and always remember that basics are like a main gate, main entrance to enter into the subject home. That you remember and proceed. Start with basic, don't start with anything. Number two, whatever I am offering is career oriented study, not college oriented study. College oriented study means always you bother about important, unimportant, by hearting, that and this. Here, everything you have to study from the scratch to end. There is no important, no unimportant. Everything is equally important. So, in career oriented study, the knowledge of basics play a vital role. That's why don't ignore it. That's why I am making this much stress on this. And in this basics pool, I mainly explain 20 concepts in detail. In detail, maximum it takes 5 to 6 hours time. That means within 1 or 2 days of study, you can master them. Here, one thing I am telling you, many student community use one word, I know. I know business will not do. I know means in this context, you must master. You must be in a position to explain. Other person should understand that. That always you remember. So that is what I simply call owning subject. What you did today, if I ask you how fluently you are able to explain, because that is your experience. So your experiences you can explain very fluently, without any doubt, without any abstraction, without any pause. But as far as subject is concerned, many pauses, many doubts, many abstractions. So owning means that what you did today means how fluently you can explain. What is computer system means you must be in a position to explain in the same manner. I am expecting it is not a big thing and all that. And most of you studied in different manner for the sake of exam. And now you study differently. You just take it as zero and start everything and understand every concept. If you have any opportunity to teach somebody, do that. Because without having perfect command over the subject, you cannot teach. Nobody wants by himself to become a fool before others. That's why then it tests your knowledge. And one more thing I want to tell you, before watching these lectures, for all the lectures I am providing you material. You download it, take a hard copy. Take a hard copy and then go watch my lecture. Thereafter read entire thing until you own. Your brain knows how much you owned and all that. So in that way you own it. Don't go away from reading and writing habits, because reading and writing habits are very natural habits. Suppose while you are writing anything, if you have any doubt, your pen never moves. Why it does not move? Your brain does not give the corresponding instruction to you. That point always you remember. So that's why don't go away from reading and writing. many students feel that by online study they can know everything. It is half truth. So I request you one thing. If you have to pursue this career oriented study, first year mark 2 days time. I am not telling 1 day, 2 days time, and here 20 concepts I am going to explain. There is no scope for doubt. In such a detailed manner I am explaining, and watch the lectures. If you require one more time, you watch, and until you master, you study these concepts, watch these concepts. If possibility is there, you explain to somebody. That is always good. And one more thing I have to tell you, other zone is there, that is interview zone. In interview zone also same concept may be repeated, but hundreds of concepts will be there. There I give a precise explanation which is actually required in the interview room. Here I am giving you detailed explanation. All pools, there is a basics pool, C pool, C++ pool, Java pool and all that. Here I give detailed explanation. On interview zone, for the same concepts, I may give precise zone, but interview zone I cover all the aspects. Here some limited aspects I am covering. You must note that, don't confuse. And finally, I have to tell you one thing. Personally, I strongly believe one thing. One person gets career, one family gets support. Nowadays, if you see, lakhs of people, lakhs of students who are eligible for a software career, who are the software career aspirant, who are eligible by qualification wise, but competency wise, those are zero, are very minimal. So, through my system, I want to provide a single window and enable them to become a right candidate for the software industry. That is the basic objective of this system. That's why I am providing everything from the scratch to end. Only your basic investment is your commitment and hard working, just for 120 days. And if you are so committed and all that, I can ensure you your career. You need not apply for a job. I will see that some employer will call you. You will have an opportunity to choose your employer once you complete this course. For this purpose, my humble request is, if you like my system strategy and these lectures and all that, please subscribe, because continuously throughout the year I want to upload many things, not only C, C++, for everything in a software field, what you require, everything I am going to provide. So once you subscribe, you can get all my updations automatically. Number two, in order to avail this opportunity to in your friends community, please share this information with your friends. That is the great contribution which you are going to provide to me.